Looking for the right vehicle? Check out the 2024 Versa. With its roomy and inviting interior, impressive technology, and exceptional gas mileage, the Nissan Versa is smart to own and fun to drive. This vehicle has less than 15,000 miles. Here are some of this vehicle's great options: traction control, stability control, anti-lock braking system, dual airbags, leather-wrapped steering wheel, air conditioning, alloy wheels, power steering, driver attention alert system. This vehicle offers reliability and good looks at a great price. So come in and take a test drive today.